So we need to solve for x and y in the equation x squared y squared minus x squared minus y raised to 4 plus y raised to 2 is equal to 0. So we need to solve for x and y. Remember, here we have two unknowns, but we can easily get the value of x and y. So we can actually take this into pairs. We take them into pairs, and then we compare whether there will be a common factor. So in the first pair, we have x squared as common. Therefore, we are going to factor it out. So we shall have x squared. So that is a common factor. So x squared y squared divided by x squared, we get y squared. Then minus x squared divided by x squared, that will be 1 minus 1. Then the second part, also we can get y squared as a common factor. So we have minus y squared, which is a common factor. Then minus y raised to 4 divided by minus y squared, we shall get positive y squared. Then positive y squared divided by minus y squared, we get minus 1. Close the bracket, will be equal to 0. Then if you look at the values inside the brackets, they are actually the same. Therefore, we shall end up having x squared minus y squared, x squared minus y squared, and close with the bracket, and then we pick one of these. Since in the expanded form, that's what we end up getting. So we shall have y squared minus 1, close the bracket, will be equal to 0. Fine. Again, if you look closely at this can also be written as is the difference between difference between two squares. So this can also be written as x plus y into bracket multiplied by x minus y. So that's how this can be written as difference between two squares. Fine, this is it. Then the other one can also be written as y plus 1 multiplied by y minus 1. We close the bracket, will be equal to 0. So in any case, if you multiply numbers and then you get the result will always be 0, then it means either of these values will be 0. Either x plus y is 0, or x minus y is equal to 0, or y plus 1 will be equal to 0, or y minus 1 will be equal to 0. So among these, so the first one, this implies that yx will be equal to minus y. Then the other one implies that x will be equal to y. The other one implies that y is equal to minus 1. The other one implies that y is equal to 1. So already we have the values of y. Therefore, when y is equal to minus 1, so what will be the value of x? So either x will be equal to, so here we have minus, but y is minus 1, so which is the same as 1. Also, x is equal to y, so also x will be equal to y, and y is actually 1. That is when x is minus y, that's what we are getting. Fine. So, in other words, we mean that x is 1 when y is minus 1, and x is 1 when y is 1. So I hope that is very clear. So those are the values of x in the equation that we have been given. So thank you so much.